unboxing today. Jesus Christ, there has to be easier way to open this. First shoe, the joints. Oh, this is the worst part, having to deal with boxes. Jordan 1 Low, powder blue. Next, another powder blue. These will go up one day. Ooh, Nike Dunk Low, Platinum Wolf Gray, pretty decent. Tell me if you actually like these. No one actually likes this shoe, okay? It's just a Jordan 4, that's why. It's like a biohack. Ow, take it out. Jordan box. When's the last time you saw this? That. Jordan 5, top 3. Wow. Jordan 11. Jubilee. Small size, little men out there. Way better than the 11s this year, for sure. Alright, we have a Yeezy 700. When's the last time you saw this? Bright blue, white laces, pretty fire shoe. You don't see this every day now. A lot of people wanted it. No idea why, it's an ugly shoe. Big box time. There's gotta be good stuff. Good packaging. First up, Jordan 3 Unite. That's a nice touch. One red, let's go with this one. Daily mover, you know. This is a hot shoe. Just keeps on moving. Black shoe, winter time. Fire. They move pretty easily. This is something else. There's no shot anyone can guess this shoe. Animal Instinct from a couple years ago. I think like 4 years ago. Gun bottoms. Real animal fur all over. You know the vibes. What else we got? Jordan 3. Core purple. Focus, focus, focus. Pretty fire. It's like a purple black cement. Pretty tough. We have another pair of the core purples. Through all these. Another core purple. Another core purple. Sizes on deck. Another Jordan 3 Unite. Thanks. Jordan 3 Varsity Blue. Pretty fire. Not bad. Not bad. Alright, last. Jordan 8 3-peat. Wow. Honestly, it's not a bad shoe. It's pretty tough. It's like Lakers colorway. So, Phoenix colorway. This shoe is a different story. Alright, we're done with this box. There's no shoes left. Let's talk about this shoe. This is something you have not seen in so long. This shoe, but we have the Jordan 11 Low closing ceremonies. You guys are probably thinking these are trash, but you never know. Jordan 11s are popping off. So I think these will move. Some hot stepper will cop these, you know. That concludes a Tuesday unboxing. Peace.